Hello you guys, it's StarCravage here, and I wanted to give you a review on the Leatherman Squirt ps4. Upside it. And I've been carrying this as EDC, part of my EDC at least. Yeah, I'm gonna show you around first, and then I'll give you the specs. Okay, that's the outside. Let me see if I can get this open with one hand. Here. Let's see here. Yes, I can. I am so good. The tools are on the outside. Sorry to say, but you know, that's how they're built. That's how they are built. So now it's time to give you the lowdown on this. Right, let me tell you all the specs to this. Comes with spring action needle nose pliers, which are also regular pliers, and it has a wire cutter at the bottom. So, let's see here. Hold on one sec. And they have the knife right here. Hold on, I'm doing this with one hand, sorry guys. But the knife, this knife is 420 HC steel, and so, there's that. Now the scissors, there are scissors on this thing, like the Leatherman, I can't think of it, but yeah, you get my point. There's another Leatherman. So, let's see if I can get these out here. One sec, sorry for the bouncy camera. I don't have a tripod for it, it's an iPod. But, these scissors, I have no idea what kind of steel these are. I think they're stainless. But, they are actually really good for scissors. And there's those. It has a screwdriver. Let's see here. This guy. No, that's not a screwdriver. Is it? Yeah, that's a screwdriver. That's a screwdriver. Here's a screwdriver. I really don't use this ever. My whole entire life, I've never used it. Not corkscrew, sorry. The bottle opener is right here. There's a metal and wooden file, as usual, on every Leatherman tool. Metal and wooden file. Never been used for me. That's that. There's a small keyring attachment, so you can attach this to your keys. It's all stainless steel body, anodized handles with the name. It's sexy. So sexy. The colors that they come in are red, black, and blue. So, there's that. There's your available colors. If you don't like any of those colors, then don't bother getting it. But I'm pretty sure everybody likes black, because you don't see the dirt. 25-year warranty on this is specifically from Leatherman, so you can send this in if it breaks and they'll give you a brand new one, which I think is good. The measurements for this thing is 2.5 inches closed and 5.72 centimeters. 2 ounces. or 56.4 grams, which is the weight, and 1.6 inch blade, or 4.06 centimeters. The sad thing I don't like is that these are ribbons. You can't change it. You can't do anything to it. You can still sharpen it. I have not sharpened this yet, per se. So, there's that. I'm sorry to say, but I can't do a factory cutting test. I've had this since December. So, yeah. That's the specs on this. So, let me give you all the tools here. Oops, hold on, I have to do it with my other hand. I can easily open it with this hand. With my middle finger, maybe. There it is. Yeah. I oil it, so, I love this knife. It's lasted me. It's very easy to rust because it's stainless steel. And sad thing is that you can see all the scratches. See if I can get you good lighting. There we go. Good scratches. So, that's the review on the PST. Thank you guys for watching.